Hey everyone, today I'm going to share my number one trading strategy that could change your entire trading career. We're focusing on a 15-minute time frame using two free TradingView indicators and a price action technique to find the best trade entries possible. To prove these claims, I'll take 100 trades with an initial account size of $100, risking 2% per trade. First, open your TradingView chart and set the time frame to 15 minutes. This strategy works well on all markets with high liquidity. And for this example, we'll use natural gas prices. To add the indicators, click on the Indicators tab and search for 10 and 1 moving averages by this amazing author. Open the settings afterwards and follow my lead. Then search for BX Trender by Quant Therapy. Keep the default settings. Let's start with the 10 and 1 moving averages. It's a combination of 3 moving averages. The green line is the EMA 21, the red line is the EMA 200, and the white line is the EMA 89. These help identify the overall trend direction so we don't trade against the trend. In a strong uptrend, the moving average is aligned 21, 89, 200. In a downtrend, it's 200, 89, 21. When the market is trending, the EMA spread out, and when it's moving sideways, they cluster together. This helps us spot range-bound markets, which is crucial since most losses happen during these times. Now, on to the BX Trender. This indicator serves as our first confirmation tool for long and short positions. It has 4 parts: the main BX Trender line with circles green for long, red for short, a colored histogram, which we can ignore, a trend line confirming signals red for short, green for long, and the 0 level. For a short signal, the BX Trender trend line must be red and below 0. For a long signal, it must be green and above 0. Here are the rules for our scalping strategy. For a valid long signal 1, price action must be in an uptrend, confirmed by the EMAs aligned 21, 89, 200 with increasing distance between them. 2. The price must pull back into the 89 EMA. 3. Wait for a green circle on the BX Trender, confirmed by the trend line being green and above 0. 4. The price action must close above the 200 EMA. Set your stop loss at the recent swing low and exit a winning trade when a new red circle appears on the BX Trender. For short positions 1, price action must be in a downtrend, confirmed by the EMAS aligned 200, 89, 21 with significant distance between them. 2. The price must pull back into the 80, 89 EMA. 3. Wait for a red circle on the BX Trender, confirmed by the trend line being red and below 0. 4. The price action must close below the 21 EMA. Set your stop loss at the recent swing high and exit a winning trade when a new green circle appears on the BX Trender. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Now let's do some back testing to find the real numbers behind this strategy. Elevate your trading game to new heights. Look no further than Funded Next, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a Funded Next account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With Funded Next, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. What sets Funded Next apart? Let me break it down for you. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With Funded Next, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With Funded Next, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about what you'll get? Don't pay. With our 24-hour payout guarantee, your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next. I took 100 trades over 3 months with 79 successful trades. Our starting account was $100 and we ended with a profit of $410.69. The equity curve is stable with no serious drawdowns, a maximum drawdown of 3.96%, a profit factor of 5.81, and 12 consecutive wins against 2 consecutive losses. I'll give this strategy a score of 10 out of 10. You can test it on different markets and timeframes to see how it performs. That's it for this video. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe. And if you want to increase the win rate for this strategy even more, check out the next videos right here.